Hello friends, in this video we will do the subnetting of class B at /20. First of all, get here open bits. Formula is CIDR minus default mask 20 minus 16, then 4 X value. Then we have to get here close bits. Formula is 32 minus CIDR. Then you can say 32 minus 20 is equal to 12 Y value. Using open bits we will get here total subnets. Formula is 2 raised to X, and we know very well 2 raised to 4, then you will get 16 subnet. Then total hosts per subnet. Formula is 2 raised to Y minus 2. 2 raised to 12 minus 2, 4096 minus 2, 4094. Then we have to get here block size. Block size is 256 minus 20 means 8 plus 8 plus 4. When 4 bits are on, when 1 bit on 128, 19 adds 1, 2, 3, 4. 128, 192, 224, 240. 240, then your block size is 16. Okay. Then you can say here subnet mask 255.255.240.0. Now we have to get the all subnets. For that we are using notepad. Subnets, first host, last host, broadcast address 172.16.00, 172.16.16.0. Another will be, please have patience, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, we will get 16 subnets. First 16, then another 16 plus plus. Next will be 32.0. Next 48, 48.0. Next 64.0, 80.0, 96, then 112, next 128, 144, 160, next 176, 192, 208, 224, and 240. Yes, This is our first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Yes, 16 subnets we will get. First host will be 0.1, last will be 15.254 and broadcast address will be 15.255. Same here. First host will be 16.1, last 31.254, broadcast 31.255. Next will be 32.1, then last will be 47.254 and 47.255. Next will be 48.1, then 63.254 and 63.255. Like this. Last will be 240.1, 255.254, 255.255. Yes, when we are using class B at /20, first of all we have to get open bits. Open bits are in front of you. Formula is CIDR minus default mask 20 minus 16 4 close bits, 32 minus CIDR 32 minus 20 12 bits. Then we will get here total subnets 2 raised to x value 4 16. Then we will get here total subnets or total host per subnet 2 raised to my y minus 2, 2 raised to 12 minus 2, 4096 minus 2, 409 for block size. When 4 bits are on, then 128, 190, 222, 224, 240. Now you can see 240, 256 minus 240, 16 is the block size. Total subnet 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, and you can see here the first host of first subnet is 0.1, last 15.254, 15.255. Same process will happen for all the subnets. Thank you.